Hello guys, after 3 years I'm finally back, simply because I didn't have the time, and 2 days we are going to open this no-name brand, this log. Well, let's first talk what is the hardest part when you try to pick this log. It's because it is spring-loaded, the core is spring-loaded, and you still have to overcome the force to turn the shackle away. Other than that, it's fairly easy. Here we can see it's a kind of, let me get something there so we can see. It's 5-pin charging by the key, but it's not entirely true, and we will see that in the moment. Well, the bitting is not that crazy. There are like 2 low cuts and few higher cuts, but it's not that hard. It's not crazy bitting, it's fairly small key. So just this stuff out of the way. Break the wires. I will move the camera a little bit. We were going to put that in a little strange way. I would go like that. It's kind of odd angle for a camera, so I will put that a little bit further away from the camera, and let's try to zoom in. So the keyway, it's pretty small keyway, as I said. There is not crazy boring of the keyway, so because of that we are going to use the top of the keyway. Still, because of that, I'm working kind of strange angle here, and we will use, I would say, this is probably the medium hook from the southward, and maybe now that let's use the normal hook from southward. Well, I'm applying, like, I would say, a modern tension to it. Just a little tension there. Yeah, first, let's kind of hear it for yourself. Count the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. I just counted 4 pins. Even when I'm trying to pick it, there is 4 pins, nothing else. So let's try to pick it. Let's find the last pin, which would be the 4th, and it is a binder. So let's try to push him in the position. I will lighten up a little bit of the tension on the tension. Okay? We got a good click of him, and the 3rd is a binder now. Light up on the tension and push him in. Let's try the 2nd one. Yeah, and we have heard something drop. I think he's in the position. In the rear one, the 4th one, just get in again, because we dropped him the first time. And let's try to find the first one. And he's springing. So let's work from the rear again. And for one, it's not responding. The third one, there is a little bit of counter rotation, but I don't think there are any security pins. Well, we got a click from him, so I would guess it will be the first one who is keeping. And no, he's springing. So the second one is not responding. So let's work again from the rear. There we got a little bit of crunching there. The third one, it's set. Yeah, and we get it open. So that's it with this lock. It's open, as I said. Just about to open these. It's all about to find the right amount of tension in this lock. Otherwise, it's fairly easy. I don't understand why they make the key like it seems to be a 5-pinner, but it's in only 4-pinner. And I don't even believe that the shackle, it says hardened here on top. I don't believe that is hardened in any way. Probably cut open with a pair of pliers. So, and you know, you can see the precision of making of that. Like, it's sometimes the shackle doesn't slide right. There is a pretty floppy lock. So okay, that's it for today. As I said, I'm back, so please subscribe. There are going to be another locks that I'm going to try to film it, how I'm picking the lock. And if you wanted to help in any way, just send some more logs so I can make videos on it. I do accept challenge logs, so even that. So see you guys.